can I use the same pixel same pixel and event on two different ad accounts and run Advantage Plus campaign, both on $400 budget? Is that a good idea or better to use separate pixels? It's how to run Advantage shopping campaigns for success, which is basically like we were talking about how to use Meta's Advantage Plus shopping campaigns effectively. And while Meta recommends running Advantage Plus primarily, right, it doesn't work well alone. So instead, it performs best when we pair it with separate top of funnel campaigns. And we also talked about the L1, L2, and L3 approach here. So the first question is, can I use the same pixel same pixel and event on two different ad accounts and run Advantage Plus campaign, both on $400 budget? Is that a good idea or better to use separate pixels?
I would say use the same pixel for it. That way you're going to get accurate data across the board and you're not going to see any discrepancies there. The second piece of that was, should you run just an Advantage Plus at $400 on each account? I don't know if necessarily that would be my course of action. I think you should incorporate some top of funnel there, because what I'm seeing personally is that ASCs, Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, do a really good job when they're allowed to retarget and when you give them the audience to retarget. So if you were to just launch an ASC account or ASC campaign, Advantage Plus shopping campaign, you're just not going to see the same results over a long period of time, because eventually that retargeting audience is going to dry up.
Right. Okay.
Do you have anything to add to that, Jonathan?
Yeah, I mean, I would recommend one pixel, one account. Keep it simple. Plan your account and potentially try other campaigns than just the ASC. Test out the regular campaign. Put some top of funnel where you exclude your warm audience and try some remarketing as well and see what performs best and go from there.
Awesome. Thank you.
This is a newer client that I've been only running their account for about 12 days now. But the change that's happened since I took over